Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Voki web application. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create and publish your very own Voki. For this demonstration, let's just start with creating your personalized avatar. All right, so once you've logged into the Voki website, as you see I have right now, we're going to go to the Create menu. All right, and once you're in Create, oops, all right, it's a little bit slow there. All right, so once you're in Create, the application does go to a default avatar, but no worries. I'm going to walk you through this and show you how to personalize it. But before I do, let's just get familiar with the application tools. So if you look over here in the left pane, there are several options that you're going to have to choose from. The first one is going to be the character itself. If you click on the character, it gives you the option. Let me do this really quick because it does something weird when we do this. When you can do the all characters, and what it does, it just brings up all different types of characters that you can choose from. Whatever your preference, whether it be male, female. So we're going to close this out really quick. All right, the next application can change the costume, the hair, the hat, glasses. Let's scroll down a little bit more so you can see all. Next, we have the background. And with background, I mean, you can choose things from nature, nightlife, indoors, obscure, lots and lots of choices. Then you have color. Color allows you to change the features of your avatar's mouth, eye color, body, hair color, and also their makeup. All right, and then last but not least, let's scroll down here, is sound or voice. With voice, you have several options. You can do text to speech, which we're going to get into in just a second when we get ready to produce our avatar. You can do the microphone recording, where you can record your own voice to speak to your students or your training group. You also have the option to do a phone recording. Now, with the phone recording feature, if you elect to do this option, there's a number that you dial into. It gives you a code, and you're able to record your voice via telephone. If for some reason your mic, or if you didn't have a mic on your PC, whether internal or external, I would recommend this feature. But if you do have a microphone on your device, preferably use that. You're going to get a lot better sound quality. And then you have, last but not least, your audio uploads. So whether you are recording your voice or you have uploaded the audio from the phone recording, it saves those recordings so that you can use them at a later time. Now that we're familiar with our video, let's go back and let's start our avatar, and we're going to go back and publish it. All right, so I'm going to go back into all people, and I'm filling this lady right here, Alicia Keys. Okay, so we've got Alicia. Now we're going to want to go in and accessorize her. All right, so let's start with her costume. All right, so I went into accessories, and now I'm going to go into costume. So depending on the type of subject topic that you're going to be dealing with, you want your avatar's costume to complement your subject. So say, for example, let's go in here. If I wanted her to be, I don't know, Miss Corporate America, I probably put her in a nice suit. All right, so there we go. All right, next, if I wanted to make some modifications to her hair, I'll be able to do some changes in another view, another window. All right, so hat is grayed out. All right, if we wanted to make her look a little bit more sophisticated, we could pick some glasses for her. All right, so let's just scroll down, see what our other choices are. Let's try these. All right, she's looking CEO ready. Even her jewelry. We can pick out a nice necklace for her. Make her look a little bit more professional. Let's see, something simple yet elegant. Okay, that's kind of nice. All right, so now we've chosen our avatar. We've given her some accessories. Now let's go in and play around with the background. So she's a reporter type, or let's see. What is she reporting on? Let's see if they got some type of office setting. So there's like a bunch of different things that you can choose from, or even a building. Let's go back up. Okay, city views. We can try city views. Maybe she's live from London. Oh, that's too dark. We're outside. Okay, here's a nice office building here. Wait. Okay. All right, so let's try that. All right, so we're going to keep it pretty basic. All right, now we're going to come down and we're going to choose her voice. So another feature that you can do, and I've just been playing around with these two, you can do even a voiceover. So you're going to activate your microphone and you can record your voice. Hello, my name is Cassandra. So you're going to stop it. It's going to upload your video. Hello, my name is Cassandra. So I like Allison's voice a little bit better. So we're going to go back and we're going to select that feature, or Bridget from the UK. All right, so hello, my name is Cassandra. Welcome to CSS Overview. All right. And we're going to play that.
Hello, my name is Cassandra. Welcome to CSS Overview.
All right. So like I said, just for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and save. All right. And we're going to say Cassandra CSS Overview. Give us a little bit more detail so we're not just naming everything by our character. Is it? Okay. Well, we got a limit on character. Okay. Overview. All right. Now we're going to save it. Oh, I'm supposed to name her. And here you have a couple options to share your Voki. You can upload it on Facebook, Twitter. You can email it. You can hold on, let me hover over these. What is this one? Oh, you can blog it. Okay. So you got a couple options that you can do in there. So we're not going to do that one. All right. You can publish it. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.